Hello everyone, this is Vibhansh and me and my team has been building Theia for a while now. It is basically a composite built on top of HydraDB. So what it does is basically gives out the answer from your tool stack, and if the correct answer exists, it will cite it exactly where it is, and it is much better than your typical vector search, and I'll show you in a while. So one thing from right on top of my mind which I'll just show you is that we have a composite benchmark, and that is around 76.28 if we include code only, and if we include all those noise as well, we have around 67.55. But what do these numbers actually mean? So originally we were given around 500,000 data documents. From around those, I have included 25,812, among which 812 were the gold one, which means the solutions, the expected answers were provided along with them. So there were 0% distractors. But if we include the rest 25,000 distractors, that is around 96.9%, which is 31 times larger haystack. This distraction only costed us like 8.73, which is the cost of realism. So that is something we are actually proud of on how we pulled this off. And I'll quickly show you the graph, which is the minimal version of what these numbers are actually showing. So I can actually show you the simulation. So if we turn off all these filters, we can leaving document in the person, then we can see that which document is connected to which person. If you click on one of those documents, we can see whether it's a Gmail, the facts included, the links, what the graph knows, the source text from where we are actually pulling all these off. And if there's any organization included, we can simply turn on organization as well to see if this also makes sense. Now let's move to the ask the company brain. And I have to explain this, like this is one of the important things. So let's first take one of the benchmark questions and see what we get. Okay, so we have a result from the graph as a solution, not your typical LLM answer which you would expect. Where these are coming from? So it's basically based on the three layers: heuristic, semantic, and a light LLM model. And it is basically getting it these solutions from the graph, which are based on facts from the supporting passages with their IDs visible. We have a gold answer for this question as well for comparison. We have a graph proof which gives out a bookmark from where we can actually compare it on HydraDB as well. So this is what I actually wanted to provide the source text as well from along with the complete query rather than an LLM hallucinating. So suppose if I ask a simple question, who is Priya? Let's see what it actually answers. Okay, so as you can see, these answer Priya Rao is currently in here. Notice the phone number. So these are not LLM solution, but if we include an LLM on top of it, we can actually make a product out of it, which comes to the part of what I am planning in future. So we have a live mode where you can actually include your organization, Slack, GitHub, Discord, connect your data instead of already corpus benchmark, and that would be ingested. You can ask the questions based on that. There would be an LLM on top of it. It would work just like a normal chatbot, but it would get accurate answer. And if there is not any, it will just simply return zero, so it won't hallucinate at all. So that's Thea for you guys. Thank you.